Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. Here I am using the Family Matters add-on by Jaimee. I think this is an add-on to one of her main bundles, which I don't have. I just have this Family Matters one, which I'm using here for this holiday travel layout here. We went to Minnesota for the holidays, so these are some, well, the photos on the right are from Minnesota, and on the left there we were still in California before we left. So I'm just starting here, sticking in all of my papers in the background. You can always see which papers I love the most because I'll stick them in the empty spots so you can get a good view of them. And here I've already finished the papers, and I'm putting in that sticker there. I was adjusting the blending so that it kind of blends into the wood background that's behind it, so it looks more natural, like it was kind of rubbed onto that wood rather than just stuck on without any regard for what was behind it. If I'm adding in like a stamp, I usually like to kind of blend it into the background like that, so it feels a bit more like it was meant to be there. So with these paints, I'm also going to, you can see, adjust the blending there so that they also blend in a little with that wood background. I am coming to the end here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.